Falcon Ridge first grade families, this is a quick video to show you how to complete a Seesaw activity in case you are new to Seesaw or you might have forgotten since last year. So you will notice that one of the tasks listed for your child for at-home learning this week is to complete the living and non-living Seesaw activity. So your child will go to Seesaw. He or she will click on the activities button. You'll notice this activity waiting for them. You can click the play instructions button in order to listen to the directions if you'd like to. And then your child will click add response. Your child will click his or her name. I'll click sample student for this video. And the activity will look just like this. Your child is to use the camera tool in order to take a picture of two different living things, either inside or outside of your home. This is the camera tool right here. Your child will click that button and the camera will be activated on your device. You might have to allow the camera. It will prompt you to do so if you need to do that. I'm not going to click it right now because I'm using the camera to make this video, so it won't work. But once you take the picture, you will size it to fit into this frame. And then you'll go back to the camera tool and take a second picture and put your second one right here to fit into this frame. Now it's important to notice that there are two screens or two slides to this activity. So you'll need to also click on page 2 and do the same thing with two non-living things. Again, use the camera tool to take your pictures and place them into the frames. When you're finished, you will click the green check mark in the corner. And your child's work will be sent to his or her teacher for approval. Please let us know if you have any questions.